Here we've got the dash bezel for around the stereo and for the AC controls of the 2000 Ford Focus SES 2-liter. This thing has been broke before, in quite bad condition. Cheapest found available through eBay was $40 and sold quick. Nobody shows the backside of theirs when they got the used ones out of the salvage vehicles for sale. So not so sure about 60 bucks for something that might also be broke. Here I have plastic welded this before, adding plastic in the backside. It helped hold it up pretty good where you saw the crack on the front. Now there is some JB Weld steel stick over it, because pretty much everywhere the little screws belong to hold these switch panels on has broke off. That is the only one that wasn't broke off, but it was cracked. I added some around. Here's 2 more done. This one didn't hold up. I'm not going to fuss with it because I've got 3 other screws. As usual, short on time. Here it's built up. I had a file that was built up in the wrong place. It's got a little hole. The screws are slightly long, about 1/2 inch little original screws. Here's the push button switch. Fits right in there. This is a switch I mentioned, showed the front side in a different video. It's got 16 pins in there that tested and seemed like it wasn't working. Well, now it seems like it is. And the wrong part is on its way back to the parts dealer. I'm going to screw that together, carefully put it up in the dash. Here, the plastic pegs are still stuck in the metal that goes on them, like these 2, and stuck in the dash, but the driver doesn't want little drill holes with nice little shiny screws from the other side. Figures leave it as is and get it put together so the next project, like maybe supper for me, could get done. So it is what it is. Thanks for watching and sharing if this will help somebody. And there's previous videos on this AC job, and it's cooling now, so see what happens. Here is what I previously mentioned. The cable operated for the diverter doors. These little screw comes loose and then you rotate them. They operate in there kind of like a lot of your turn signal bulb holders or headlight bulb holders. Just push and twist. So unscrew, twist, and pull. Simple as that, instead of trying to pull them apart, because if you unsnap, pull them apart, they may completely come apart and not go back together. Okay, thank you. It's Cowboy Roy Rogers with the CRR News and Clues.